Meaning of infringe.
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 Infringe. Infringe means to violate or break a law, rule, or agreement. It can also refer to violating someone's rights, such as copyright or patent infringement. The results of infringement can vary depending on the context. Violating a law or rule can result in legal consequences, such as fines or imprisonment. Infringing on someone's rights can result in a lawsuit and damages awarded to the injured party. In addition to legal consequences, infringement can also damage relationships, reputation, and trust. It's important to respect laws, rules, and agreements to avoid infringing upon the rights of others.